Congratulations on your new quality Winther product. We have made it as easy as possible for you to start using the vehicle. The instructions in this video apply to the Viking, Circleline and Nova Viking Zoo product ranges. The unique one-bolt assembly is very quick. Simply follow these easy steps. Remove the tools from the side of the box and find the assembly instructions. Read the instructions carefully. Unpack all the parts, checking that there are no parts remaining in the box. Begin by removing the steering stem bolt. Remove the nut and star washer. Then unscrew the steering stem bolt from the front fork assembly. Locate the headstock of the tricycle frame into the front fork. Then slide the steering stem bolt through the front fork and the frame and tighten it with the Allen key provided. Ensure the steering stem bolt is tightened securely, very securely. Then reattach the star washer and fasten the nut. Use the Allen key to hold the steering stem bolt in place while fastening the nut. This ensures that it does not loosen again. Your new Winther vehicle is now ready to be used and enjoyed for many years. Thank you for choosing Winther. Learning by moving.